Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete all chat in Telegram group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first open up Telegram app. Then open up a group where you want to remove messages. Let it be that one. That's actually my test group with some random content. And now if you want to remove some specific messages, all you have to do is hold down your finger at a message that you want to remove, and then you can just hit on select. After that, you can in that simple way check mark those messages which you want to remove as well. After you finished with that, you can just hit right here at trash icon and then select delete for everyone. As you can see, all that messages has just been removed at once. If you want to remove all chat messages in Telegram group at once, you have to hit right here at group name to bring up group settings. In here, tap right there at more to bring up that options, and right here you can easily find clear messages feature. Just tap on that, and now it asks you if you really want to delete all messages in that group. You can hit right here at delete for everyone, and now in that 5 seconds countdown you can hit right here where it says undo to undo deletion of all messages. Once 5 seconds have passed, you cannot undo the deletion. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you can find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.